Customer service is more problem-oriented. Customer experience is feeling-oriented. Because how people feel about you comes from the experience, right? The overall experience. So there's a big difference. Everybody understands the difference between service and experience. Experience is bigger. It's the sum total of everything that I've experienced with you as a brand, right? If I'm leasing an office space, it's my first point of contact. It's the website, it's who I had a chat with. It's my experience of visiting the site. It's all these things. It's the follow-up email, it's the follow-up conversation. Long negotiations, right? Office leasing, how I negotiate, how that person negotiates with me, what has been the experience, and after the whole thing, how has been that service? You know, have they followed up on certain things? It's the entire journey. It's the entire journey. So customer experience is bigger. It's bigger. So that's what we're talking about today, because this whole journey is going to create an impression in your customer's mind about who you are as a company, as a brand.